Welcome designer. Today I am coming with a new trick, draw inside. It's like a clipping mask but not clipping mask. So start the game. First go to bottom of the menu bar, taskbar, and here you can see draw inside. The first one behind inside and the last one draw inside. Now I take a object and select that and take draw inside. Now you can draw anything inside of the object. I draw a object. Now I change the color. See the object. It's very useful trick. This trick will help you a lot. You will draw anything into the object, but that will not shown out of the object. See, thank you so much to see the video. If you think this video is very helpful for you, please subscribe. Every day I will come with a new trick and new video.